Welcome back. Today we have the new 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Coupe. We are going on a test drive. Show you guys all the exterior features, also the interior features, and go on a drive. If you're new here, subscribe to Mercedes Lounge. I create weekly videos. Inside we have this Bahia brown interior leather option. First things first, let's open up the hood and see what's powering this GLE 53. As you can see, it's finished in this obsidian black on the exterior, which is a good color choice. This car also has the AMG night package, which means we have a ton of high gloss black elements. But before we walk out through the exterior features, let's see what's under the hood. Powering this GLE 53 is an AMG enhanced 3-liter inline-six turbo engine, producing 429 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. All the power goes through the 9-speed automatic transmission, and this car also has 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Fuel economy is a modest 20 mpg. Drives beautifully. I just love everything about the car, the style. Total retail is about $109,000. Love the AMG brand on the engine cover itself. This GLE looks absolutely stunning. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlights so we can actually see how these multi-beam LED lights look, which are standard in this GLE 53. They do have high beam assist and all the options you'd get from a multi-beam LED light system, which has a single eyebrow at the very top and 4 dots reminiscent of a GLE class. Permacanna grille, very striking appearance with the varicose slots. We have the AMG badge on the right hand side, and down here we have the air intakes, finished in high gloss black because it's a more aggressive appearance on this GLE 53. The Mercedes star houses your active distance electronic systems, which means radar for the driver systems, active following distances, and so on. The filter back badge sits flush on the hood starting in 2024, I believe, which is a nice touch. We have power domes in the hood. Side perspective, wolf fenders finish in the same color as the car. The size of the front tires, 285. These are 22-inch rims, and by the way, the front discs are perforated for cooling. Silver brake calipers sitting on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. We have the Turbo 4MATIC Plus badging right here because this car has a variable torque distribution system which varies the power between the front and the rear wheel depending on the drive mode and the conditions of the road. Now the rear tires, we have about 325, and these are also 22-inch. Stepping on the shoulders, this car looks very striking in this obsidian black. We have LED taillights, standard in the GLE, and AMG badging on the left, GLE 53 on the right hand side. And on the lower section, what I don't like is this plastic back here, which I think for 100K you want to do something different. But number of sensors down here, class 2 trailer hitch, you can tow up to 7,000 pounds, and performance exhaust system, we have the quad exhaust tailpipes with the AMG branding as well right here. So on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, let me know what you think about this rear design of this GLE 53. The rear windows are also tinted for privacy, which is standard in this car. We have a very simple rear spoiler right here. Oh, fantastic. The Mercedes star happens to be a trunk lid opener. Cargo cover is standard in this car. Now this button here lowers the car suspension, which allows you to put luggage in and out of the GLE. You can see the suspension is actually getting lower and lower and lower. So in case you go grocery shopping or just have some luggage travel, you can do that. And looks pretty good from back here. And then let's see what's underneath. We have a spare wheel inside here, and all the accessories if you want to change, if you get a flat tire. And this is the fragrance canister for this car. Says AMG number 63 interior perfume, and this is how it looks. So that's nice. We have rubber floor mats, and we also have the AMG floor mats. So these are nice for in the summer, but in the winter you want to switch to the rubber floor mats. These are the weather mats rather, so those are nice. Electronic tailgate on this GLE. Wow, I just love this silhouette on this car. Same design as the GLE 63 Coupe. Gas cap, nothing much here. You can see how this looks. The rear windows tinted for privacy. Notice the high gloss black LMS all around the windows. This car also has chrome door handles, chrome inserts on that. Let's step inside and see how this storage looks like. We have wood trim, rear seats are heated, Burmester high-end speaker system. Love this Bahia brown. Actually, this is actually a really good color choice. 64 colors ambient light is standard. This is all very good, robust quality. Love the Bahia brown contrast as well. And then the pattern design, Alcantara, as well as the Bahia brown leather, which is a nice touch. So we have some storage netting here. This car does have a panorama roof up here, but overall, wow, this is a good build quality. 2 USB-C ports, cam standard down here, climate control system, the vents, and let's see, 2 cup holders, and seats are quite comfortable. Love the groove up here, about 2 inches between my knees and the front seat. We have reading lights, accessory, and this is a coat hanger right here. Overall, wow, this is a good looking car. Facing forward, fantastic view from the back. Love the panorama glass at the top, and some additional storage here for cup holder. And I'm gonna walk you guys. Before we do that, let me sit here in the front section. Power memory seats, 1, 2, 3, heated as well as cooled seats. Burmester speaker system. Still love this Bahia brown. I think it's growing on me. Usually you just see black or the red pepper or red color, but this is nice. I'm gonna adjust the seat slightly, and this is the sitting position from the passenger side. Love the symmetry in this car. Really good options. We have this button here, lowers the car's suspension, and also we have some USB-C ports here, some storage for your wallet, grab handlebars, 64 colors ambient lights. Guys, I gotta tell you, the build quality is pretty nice. Love this, is very soft. Palm rest for the multimedia touchpad, which has haptic feedback. This is all fully touchscreen. We've seen this before. Love the symmetry here. So for 2026, nothing different other than a few options in terms of color choices. I haven't seen this Bahia brown in this car before. So, and also exterior options, so manufacturer colors, and this is also very nice at the top. Sun visors, all the standard options. AMG illumination on the door sill here. So on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, let me know what you think about this design on this GLE 53. I think this is a winner, guys, in terms of design. One of my dream cars. So let's go on a drive. Love the light show. I'm gonna switch the drive themes to the sport theme. We also have this super sport. Let's start with this one. Okay. See the drive units inside the steering wheel. You gotta have drive units in your GLE. This is a fantastic car. Let's go ahead and set it to the Sport Plus. And one other thing I'll do here, I'll swipe right, go to the performance menu, check a look at the engine metrics, engine torque and power. And this car has a head-up display system. This is a Pinnacle trim. I'm gonna switch to the paddle shifters. Wow, it drives so well. I think this is the one thing I love about the GLE 53 as well as the 63, right? Mercedes did not compromise on the engine. I wouldn't say that about other class of cars like the C class. C63 was a disaster, but if you're looking for an SUV, this is a good balance. Fantastic car. I love how it drives. 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is fantastic. The seats are actually quite comfortable, especially when you engage the thigh support mechanism on the left here. And good robust feel from the steering wheel. I love the perforations on the leather. And for off-roading, you can hold on here if you're a passenger, but there's some pops. I don't know if those are coming across the camera, but wow, what a fantastic drive. Cornering is pretty good. AMG ride control system takes over. It's leaning into the corners, getting good feedback from the steering wheel. Suspension is also pretty good in the Sport Plus mode. Slightly tough, but that's what you expect in this driving mode. Gonna switch to the Sport. Adjusts the suspension, the AMG dynamics, so it's not as an aggressive drive experience as in the Sport Plus mode. Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
Hello, I'm Mercedes, your voice assistant. Would you like to know more about what I can do for you?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Whenever you want to talk to me, you can press the push to talk button on the steering wheel or say, "Hey Mercedes, I can help you enter destinations, search for music and use vehicle functions," to name just a few examples. When I'm online, I can do even more for you, like weather forecasts. Just tell me what you need. The animated graphic in the display shows you when I'm listening to you. Here you can see an overview of my functions. Just say help if you would like to see them again later. What can I do for you?
I'm hot.
I'm reducing the temperature to minimum.
So we do have a voice assistant, which is nice. Airflow is pretty good. Love these for symmetrical air vent system. And down here, the quality features, piano keys are nice. There is a menu button here which adjusts the climate control systems, so you can switch and also use the trackpad down here to control that. Air quality says please insert fragrance vial, so you can actually also do that. And instead I'm gonna say interior air is getting enriched with oxygen ions in the ionization mode. Overall, it's just got all the right bells and whistles. So $109,000, you get quite a few options in this car. A lot of options. Also in the vehicle menu, you can see the other metrics, inclination, braking, and so on. So the one thing I'm going to do here is engage the parking systems. This car has a 360-degree camera system, so you can see all around. So it's now searching. I hope it's going to find this one on the left. So not sure why it's not finding the spots. but I'm just gonna cancel that and just park the car myself. But yes, so if you need it, there's a parking assist right there. I'm gonna put it right next to this other GLE. Okay. So I think that's pretty good parking. So that's it. A quick look at the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Coupe. On a scale of 1 to 10, guys, let me know what you think about this car from Mercedes-AMG. Fantastic SUV. And till next time, before we sign off, 2 cup holders down here, nothing has changed. USB-C ports, NFC wireless charging, and the wood trim, which is nice. Dynamic options. I'm gonna set it back to the comfort mode, and that's it. 2026 GLE 53 AMG. Until next time, stay positive. Peace.